Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy GNC products. First, you can easily browse GNC's wide selection of vitamins, supplements, and health foods either on their official website or by visiting one of their many retail locations. Consider your personal health and fitness goals to help narrow down the best products for your needs. Always take a moment to review product details, including ingredients and customer feedback, before making a purchase decision. When deciding where to buy, consider the benefits of both online and in-store shopping. Online offers the convenience of home delivery and often features special web-only promotions. However, visiting a physical GNC store allows you to speak with knowledgeable staff who can provide tailored recommendations and answer specific questions about products. It's smart to compare prices and check product availability on both platforms. To get the most value from your GNC purchases, consider joining the My GNC Rewards program. Members often receive special discounts, earn points on purchases, and get early access to sales. Keep an eye out for seasonal sales events and bundle deals, which can offer significant savings on popular items. Signing up for GNC's email newsletter is also a great way to stay informed about upcoming promotions and exclusive offers. Before incorporating any new supplements into your routine, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure they are right for you. Carefully read all product labels for recommended dosages, ingredients, and any potential allergens. This helps ensure safe and effective use. Also, for those looking to simplify their healthy eating, check out the link in the description for fantastic deals on leak-proof meal prep containers and other great products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.